I believe in the power of words. Many people speak before they think, but I know the value of words.
Hello everyone, welcome to this video on the psychology of procrastination. Have you ever found yourself putting off tasks until the last minute or struggling to get started on a project? If so, you're not alone. Procrastination is a common behavior that affects many people, but understanding why we procrastinate and how to overcome it can help us achieve our goals and reduce stress. What is procrastination? Procrastination is the act of delaying or postponing tasks, often until the last possible moment. It's a complex behavior that can be influenced by a variety of factors, including fear of failure, low motivation, and distractibility. Procrastination can have negative consequences, such as increased stress levels, decreased productivity, and missed deadlines. Why do we procrastinate? There are many reasons why we procrastinate, and they can vary from person to person. One common reason is the fear of failure. When we're faced with a task that we're not sure we can do well, we may put it off to avoid the possibility of failure. Another reason is low motivation. If a task doesn't feel important or meaningful to us, we may struggle to find the energy to get started. Finally, distractibility can also contribute to procrastination. In today's world, there are many distractions vying for our attention, from social media to email notifications, which can make it difficult to stay focused on a task. How to overcome procrastination? Fortunately, there are many strategies that can help us overcome procrastination and get things done. One effective approach is to break tasks down into smaller, more manageable pieces. This can make them feel less overwhelming and more achievable. Another strategy is to set specific goals and deadlines for ourselves. This can help us stay focused and motivated, and give us a sense of accomplishment when we complete a task. Additionally, it can be helpful to identify and eliminate potential distractions, such as turning off our phone or blocking social media sites during work time. Finally, it's important to be kind to ourselves and not beat ourselves up if we do procrastinate. Self-compassion and self-forgiveness can help us move forward and get back on track. Procrastination is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that can be influenced by a variety of individual and situational factors. From a psychological perspective, procrastination can be understood as a self-regulation failure that involves the prioritization of short-term rewards over long-term goals. Conclusion. Research has shown that people who procrastinate often experience negative emotions such as guilt, anxiety, and stress, which can further exacerbate their procrastination. Additionally, individuals who have low levels of self-esteem, high levels of impulsivity, and a tendency towards perfectionism are more likely to procrastinate. Effective strategies for combating procrastination include setting realistic goals, breaking tasks down into smaller, manageable steps, and utilizing self-monitoring and self-reinforcement techniques. Additionally, addressing underlying emotional issues such as anxiety or depression can also be helpful in reducing procrastination. Overall, while procrastination can be a difficult habit to break, it is possible to overcome with the right strategies and support. By understanding the psychological factors that contribute to procrastination and implementing effective self-regulation techniques, individuals can successfully manage their procrastination and achieve their long-term goals. Some other factors that have been identified as contributors to procrastination include lack of motivation, boredom, and difficulty with decision-making. Procrastination can also be a learned behavior, as individuals may have developed habits of putting off tasks due to past experiences where delaying resulted in a positive outcome. In addition to individual factors, situational factors such as the availability of distractions or the perceived difficulty of a task can also influence procrastination. For example, individuals may be more likely to procrastinate on a task that they find unpleasant or challenging, or if they have easy access to distractions such as social media or television. It's also important to note that not all procrastination is necessarily harmful. In some cases, delaying a task can allow for more time to consider options and make better decisions. However, chronic procrastination can have negative consequences such as missed deadlines, decreased productivity, and increased stress and anxiety. Overall, addressing procrastination requires a combination of self-awareness, effective time management strategies, and addressing any underlying emotional or behavioral issues. By taking a proactive approach to managing procrastination, individuals can improve their well-being and achieve their goals more effectively. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. And if you'd like to support our channel. Once again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates.